Hi, I'm Levon Kafafian, and I'm going to be presenting work that emerges from the story of Portal Fire that takes place in the world of Azerbaijan, a fictional alternate world based on Southwest Asia that I've created. Portal Fire is a graphic novel that takes form through object, costume, characters, sound, poetry, you name it. It is an immersive experience that brings text to life. One day, it will be in a text format. Until then, you'll have to experience it as performances, characters, scarves, textures. The costumes that I'm making have featured hand-woven pieces that I've made that may include dye work, that may include experimental construction in the weave. I sew them out of existing patterns and patterns that I make on the fly. I do machine stitch embroidery. I do beadwork on a stupid scale, like these face veils that are just dripping in beads. There's a touch of leather work and even woodwork in the accessories that these characters have with them, and lots of dye work supplementation in the panels that serve as backdrops for the characters. I think that Envision is challenging me to find ways to present multiple characters at once and to create pathways for people to engage with and be immersed in the work. Where previously I've done shows with a single character, or I focus mostly on a performance or a web engagement. So this is an interesting combination of all of the different elements that I've been assembling so far. And I think this is helping me to direct where the work will be going from here. I am looking forward to immersing the audience that comes to Envision into a completely different world. One that I've built out of characters and costumes that remove them from the world that they're living in. I want them to be able to imagine a thriving and hybrid Southwest Asian inspired world and future where magic is the reality. And many things are possible, including travel through time and space.